Hello students, this is class 3rd B. Class 3rd B. Subject is GK and date 34th 2021. Now open page number 18, lesson 10, word of currency, and page number 18 you have to open. So every country has its own currency which helps in the purchasing of the things. So we have to identify the currencies of different words. You know the name of your country's currency. You know very well, that is the rupees. In the same way, different countries have different currencies. So in the same way, first you have to identify diagrams, pictures of the different currencies of different countries are given. You have to identify. So first is in the currency, name of the country is written. In the currency, name of the country is written, and you have to write the name of the currency. So first you see the first, it is given, name of the country is given in the currency, that is India. First one, India. Its currency is rupee. And second is the USA. USA. In the USA, the name of the current currency you have to write, or the USA, see the diagram, and its currency is dollar. Its currency is dollar. Now third, it is Japan. Third country is Japan. It's now the currency of Japan. See, it is in help box, it is written. So currency of Japan is yen. And fourth, our neighbor, that is Bangladesh. Bangladesh, which is our neighbor, its currency is taka. Taka is the currency of Bangladesh. And fifth, this is the UK. Next country is UK. Its currency is pound sterling. Its currency is pound sterling. Now we can write here. Number 6. Russia. Sixth country is Russia. Russia. Its currency is ruble. And next country is China. China, and its its currency is yuan. Yuan, and its European Union. European Union. European Union. Its currency is euro. Its currency is euro. So once again, you have to see this is name of the country and this line or the currency. So first you see about the India. The currency of India is rupee. Next, USA having dollar. Third one, Japan. Its currency is yen. And Bangladesh, its currency is taka. And UK having pound sterling. Now next, 6th, you see it is Russia. Its country is ruble. And China, yuan. And European Union having euro. So you have to write these in your notebook. So thank you. That's for today only.